Hi everyone, it's Matt. This is just update number 12 for trade number 5. If you're new to the channel, I'm trying to turn $1,000 into 1 million through a series of trades compounding at 10%. This is 73 trades if it all works out well, but I guess it will probably be more. Very, very low chances that you can do 75 trades in a row and hitting that 10% mark. But yeah. On trade number 5, which is ALPP, Alpine for Technologies, or Alpine for Holdings, it's changed the name to. And it's just an update where I'm at the moment. Like, it's kind of funny. After I posted last week, I think like an hour later, someone on my channel left a comment saying they'd made a new acquisition. This is like Tom. So yeah, thanks for that news. It's kind of cool. Reading up on it, this is really good news, and you could see it in the way the stock performed on the day. So basically, they acquired, what's the company called now? They acquired Thermal Dynamics. So this is a company that sits within the A4 defense systems kind of thing, and yeah, this would work well with other parts of the company, other companies they've acquired, so like sheet metals and whatnot. And but yeah, what does it mean overall? Like, it's they mean they've got like contracts with the government, and we're saying like this generates $9 to $13 million a year. So this is a really good like buy for them, and it's exciting. It's good. Like, it's good to have these contracts, and the thing is, it's not so transparent. You don't know what's going on with these contracts, but it's usually like it's big money if it's with the government, like especially the US government for defenses and stuff. So and yeah, this excitement is definitely reflected in the stock price. So I think last week when I posted about it, this my update on the stock, I think it was trading about $4, and I think it shot up all the way to, or maybe $4.50, but it shot up to like $5.50, which is really, really good. So you can kind of see like how volatile the stock is, or just on this little bit of news, which is positive. And yeah, it kind of gives you an idea like how it would perform maybe with the Nasdaq when it's finally listed. But as all, like, it's quite a big rise. Like, to see a stock move this quickly, it's not really organic, is it? So there was a major pullback, and I think right now, checking the stock, it's back around the $4 range, which is still great to where it was like a couple of weeks ago, like $2.50, $3. Like, if you bought in those ranges, you've done really well. Like, you've made quite a bit of money from this. But as always, this is a long-term hold for me anyway. Like, with so I've got the money I've invested. If you look at the roadmap in the details, you can see what I've invested, how many stocks, how many shares I've bought. But I do have some like personal money in there as well. So yeah, good news, and the stock is actually holding well right now. Hopefully it doesn't drop back down again, but this $4 range looks like a nice support. Can't really say at the moment. I'd have to leave it for like another week or two. Like, I don't know if yesterday anyone noticed at the market, like there's a S&P 500 pulled back quite a bit, and like all the major like big tech companies, there's a big pullback. It's like, but this is kind of like usual kind of activity in the stock market recently. So yeah, it's a bit of a red day across the board. But yeah, Alpine did all right. I think they did only drop like 6%, which is kind of normal with these like OTC stocks. So yeah, it's up 6%, down 6%. It's hovering around the $4 mark right now. So yeah, there's nothing else really to say about it. Some really good news, and hopefully they make some more nice acquisitions with profitable ones for that. And hopefully we hear some news on the Nasdaq as well. It's like what the thing everyone's waiting for. So yeah, I'll update you again where I'm at in another week's time. Yeah, happy trading. Bye.